Hello students, today we will discuss about the addition of decimals. Addition and subtraction of decimals are the same process. Our first step is convert the given decimal into like decimal. Convert the given decimals into like decimals. Firstly, we have to convert into like decimals. See, example 8.6 plus 15.123. These are unlike decimals. Firstly, convert into like decimals. Here is a 3-digit number and here is only one number. So we will put 2 zeros and it will become like decimals. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Next step is arrange the digits as per place value. Arrange the digits as per place value in columns with their decimal point below each other. Yes students, arrange the digits. देखो बेटे, इनको प्लेस वैल्यू के साथ अरेंज करना है हमें. नेक्स्ट है विद देयर डेसिमल्स पॉइंट बिलो ईच अदर. डेसिमल पॉइंट बिलो ईच अदर. गॉट इट. नेक्स्ट इज एड और सब्ट्रैक्ट एज वी डू इन केस ऑफ न्यूमरल्स. जैसे हम करते हैं नंबर्स को, सेम एज इट इज ऐड और सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है. नो चेंज. डेसिमल्स के कारण हमें कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. वी विल डू सेम एज वी डू इन केस ऑफ न्यूमरल्स. 0 + 3 3, 0 + 2 2, 6 + 1 7. Here is a point, decimal, decimal, decimal. That's it. 8 + 5 3, 13. 1 is carry. 1 + 1 2. We will do same as numerals. No change, but in decimals we just blow with each other. Last point, decimal point is placed in the same place as the numbers below it, as the numbers above it. जैसे जैसे बेटे नंबर्स हैं, हमने एज इट इज़ डेसिमल्स को उसी के नीचे लगाना है. देयर इज़ नो चेंज. वन मोर एग्जाम्पल. सब्ट्रैक्ट 3.72 फ्रॉम 8.471. we will do subtract. In subtraction, where we see the from, this value comes in first and it will go in second. Firstly, change into like term. 4 7 1. Here is a 3 numbers and here is a 2 numbers. 7 2. We will put 0. It will become now like term. After that, subtract same as we do as a numbers, numerals. 1 minus 0 1, 7 minus 2 5. 4 में से 7 सब्ट्रैक्ट नहीं होते हैं. देन वी टेक 1 फ्रॉम दिस साइड. 14 minus 7 7. Point as below. 7 minus 3 4. Hope you got it. Thank you.